It's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video we are going to sublimate a mug in a convection toaster oven, and we're going to use Cricut Design Space. So the first thing you want to do is upload your images to Cricut Design Space, and I am going to use this template right here. I like it because it's a full wrap, and I like the sides, how it goes right around the handle of the mug. I'll leave it in the links below. And let's go ahead and first make this a little bit bigger, but let me show you. See, this is Bath and Body Works, and this is Back and Body Hurts. I thought it was so cute, so that is what I'm going to make today. Move this one over. So the first thing we want to do is just kind of adjust this over the template. All right, and then we are going to take the template and select arrange, bring to front, and we're just going to kind of center this over here, and then I'm going to select both and hit slice. And now we have our image. It's super easy. Just to give you guys, I said I was using a 15-ounce beveled Cricut mug, and if you happen to have the same, the dimensions that I'm using for this template is 10.721 by 4.307. So, all right, now we are ready to hit make it. And we are going to send it to the Epson sublimation printer that I converted. We're going to hit confirm, and we need to mirror it, so I'm going to mirror it right here and hit continue. And then we are going to select send to printer. I like to leave the bleed on, and we're going to select use system dialog. And then I'm going to change this here to the Epson as well. And then we're going to select print. And we need to change this to Epson. And then we hit preferences. And I need to change the document size to a legal. And the most important thing, regardless of what sublimation printer you use, is just to make sure that you're using a good paper type, the quality of the ink is at its best. Those are just the most important things. So whatever sublimation printer you use, just make sure you have the best paper type, best quality on, and then make sure that your mirror is off, because we are mirroring it in Cricut Design Space. Make sure your high speed is off as well. And then we are going to click on advanced, and then I'm going to do color controls. Sometimes I do the ICM, which is the ICM profile, but I don't know, I kind of like the color control. I guess it just depends on what you're sublimating. And again, the color mode, I'm just doing the best, gamma, the best, and then you just adjust the color correction however you want it. It's just trial and error. And then we're going to hit OK, OK, and print. The next thing you need to do is clean your surface very well, and I'm going to use rubbing alcohol. And you want to wipe off all the debris, which of course you don't see the debris, but it's there. So you want to go ahead and clean it very well and then dry it very well. You can also use a lint roller instead if you like to. Before we go ahead and wrap the mug, I always like to turn the convection toaster oven on, because it does need to preheat for at least 15 to 20 minutes, and the temperature is at 400. So let's go ahead, preheat that, and then we'll get started on the mug. The print that just came off, and apply it to the mug. And always make sure you position it correctly, it's the right side up, and we're going to go ahead and center it, and you want it to be even, like centered all the way around. Next, I am going to go ahead and tape it with heat resistant tape, and you want to make sure that this is pulled tightly, because you want it to be able to stay pressed down on the mug. And then I'm going to go around the mug So, because you can see here, like there's a little gap. So I want that to be pressed against the mug. So I'm just going to go around, see how it closes it up. I'm going to do that around the entire top. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing on the bottom. And another very important area to do the same is, as far as taping it to make sure that it stays pressed down, is around the handle. So I'm just reinforcing that area. And let's just kind of put something there to hold it. Same with just holding it down in the middle. I have it reinforced by the handle, the top and the bottom, and we are now going to wrap it with sublimation shrink wrap. Okay, so my little trick with this is to place the mug here and fold it over, and then I'm going to cut right where the handle is, make like a little incision. And now we can place the handle right through that hole. And again, you want to pull tightly. So I'm going to cut a little bit off. And then tape it. And I'm going to pull this up and tape this as well. You also want to reinforce this area. So I'm going to tape this as well. Okay, so this looks good. So we're going to go ahead and get the heat gun and apply the heat. Okay, so I like to smooth it out as best as possible because I think that that helps secure the heat transfer underneath to the tumbler, and it just keeps it on there, which is important while you sublimate it. So now we are ready to go ahead and place it in the toaster oven, the convection toaster oven. So I just placed it in there. I put parchment paper down and then I placed the mug in there. For some reason that part didn't tape, so I'm just letting you guys know. And again, it's at 400, and I'm going to sublimate it in there for 15 minutes and we'll be back. So it has been 15 minutes. We're going to go ahead and turn it off. Take it out. And it is very, very, very hot. Let's go ahead and okay, so it's super cute, isn't it? So cute. But look, I did it upside down, you guys. I'm not sure. I even remember saying in the video, make sure that you place it the right side up. And I don't know what I did. Actually, I hadn't had my coffee yet, to be honest with you. It was early in the morning, and I just went straight to work and didn't grab a coffee, and I think that's the problem. But it's so cute anyway, isn't it? So anyway, comment below, let me know, and as always, thanks for watching, you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.